Ellargu namaskara. So I welcome you all to this presentation. So this presentation is related to the subject nanotechnology, and today we'll discuss about core and core making. In that, the content we discuss here is types of cores. So in the previous session, we have discussed what are the types of core boxes, and now in this session we are going to discuss about the types of cores. So you know what is a core? So core is a device which is used to produce a hollow sections in the castings. So in that there are types of cores. So here you can see on the screen, it is horizontal core, vertical core, balanced core, hanging core, drop core, ram up core, and kiss core. So these are the types of cores which will be used in the making of the cores. So in this session, we are going to discuss horizontal core and vertical core. So here is the horizontal core. So the name itself says that the core is placed horizontally in the mold. The core is placed horizontally in the mold. So this is the core. In this diagram, where you can see the core is, this is the core which is hatched in section. So this is the mold cavity. This unhatched section is a mold cavity, and these are the dotted. Can know that is a molding sand, and this is a mold cavity. And in this mold cavity, we placed a core such that the cast object which are producing from this process is of hollow section. So the main duty of the core is to produce hollow section in the castings. So here, this core, what you are seeing in the diagram, this core, this hatched part, complete helical hatched idella, helical section hatched part idella. So that section is called as core, and this core is placed horizontal axis, in horizontal axis. So if that core is placed in a vertical section, that has to be called as vertical core, and this section and this core is placed horizontally in the mold. So this complete, we can say this is a mold, and this is a mold cavity. In this mold cavity, the core is placed horizontally. If this core is placed in long position here in this manner, what I'm showing in this manner, so you can see here. So the core is placed here vertically. In vertical axis, it is placed. So this may be called as vertical core, and this core is placed horizontally. So it is named as horizontal core. And here, complete half section of the core is placed in the cope side, and another half section of the core is in the drag side. You can see this is the axis of the mold, and this is the core, complete core section, and this is the mold cavity, and these are the molding sand which is tightly packed around the core and mold cavity. See here what they say: a horizontal core is placed horizontally in the mold. Okay, and a horizontal core may have shapes of circular or some other section depending upon casting. ಅಂದ್ರೆ casting ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆನೋ ಆ ತರ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು core ನ ಯಾವ shape ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. And horizontal core is supported on core seats. Exactly. So this core is supported by the core seats. So you can see here the core seats. So these are the core seats which is used to support the core in the mold cavity. And The horizontal core is supported by core seats. At both the ends are placed at a parting line. So you can see both the ends are placed at the parting line. And here uniformed sectioned horizontal cores are placed at the parting line, and it is commonly used, this horizontal cores or vertical cores or any other cores, that is balanced core, kiss core, everything, those cores are used for only this foundries and for casting purpose. And here you can see the vertical core, which is placed when vertical axis in the mold cavity. Here you can see the mold cavity, which is not hatched, and the hatched section is known as core, and this is the molding sand. So here you can see the cope side, and this is the drag side. So the complete mold cavity is in the drag side, and this is the core. So the maximum part of the core is in the drag itself, and the minimum part of the core is in the cope side. So this is the axis, right? This is the axis of the mold cavity, right? So from the axis, the long part of the core, here you can see the long part of the core is in the mold cavity, that too in the drag side, and a minimum portion. This is the minimum portion. This minimum portion is in the cope side, and this suggests that this complete core, which is placed in vertical section in the mold cavity, and here this part, what you're seeing, so this part is a smallest portion of the core which is in the cope side, and in the drag side, what you can see here, the core seat is very small compared to cope side. Cope side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಒಂದು end and drag side ಇರಂತ ಒಂದು core seat. This is the core seat. So this core seat is very small and this core seat is very large. And the taper section is very more in the drag side. Core seat, the taper section ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here you can see the taper section very less in the cope side. And why this is preferred antande, on the cope side, a vertical core needs more taper than drag side because it should not tear the sand. So actually what they say, two ends of the vertical core are supported in the core seats. Exactly. You know, two ends ನಾವು horizontal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, two ends of the core seats are placed, two ends of the core seats are supported by the, two ends of the core is supported by the core seats. And here you can see also the two ends of the core are supported by the core seat, and the taper section is more at the taper section is more the taper section is more in the cope side. Why? Because here you can see the taper section is more in the cope side. Why? Because in order to remove the core, so in order to remove the core outside from the mold cavity, previously I said that the taper section is more in the drag side, but it's wrong. So it is the, this cope side, the taper section of the core is large. Comparatively with the drag side, a little bit expansion takes place in this cope side. The core seat ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, taper section ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, cope side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, because while removing the core, okay, ನಾವು core ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it is very difficult. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಟೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಟೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ, ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೋಪ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಪರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಕೋರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ದ ಕೋರ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕೋರ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಕೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.